Okay friends, so now we are starting with the next formula, that is how do you use and or condition in the if. In the previous videos we have already seen how do you write the if condition and how do you write the multiple level of if. In this we are going little bit more in depth that how do you implement and or condition in the if. So I will double click on a file and my file is open. This was the formula which we have already seen in our previous videos of multiple and advances. Now here I have another requirement. So I will say bonus status. And I have a very different type of condition over here. So I have 3 months, Jan, Feb and March. Let's say management decided that only those people will get bonus who have done sales more than 25,000 in all the 3 months. It means in Jan also he should have done more than 25,000, in Feb also, and in March also. Then only he will get a bonus. So how do we write the if? So here you have to say if with and. So here you will say first I will make a left align cell and then I say equal if. After if I will also type and. So if and condition is written like this, and is not written in between, and is written in the start itself. So you say equal if, open a bracket, and you say and here he is asking you logical condition 1. So I say this is my logical condition that if B2, value of B2 is greater than or equal to 25,000. Now I'm taking equal also, comma. As soon as I put comma, see this logical 2 will become dark. So he's asking me, hey, do you have any other condition? I say yes. C2 greater than equal to 25,000, comma, D2 also should be greater than equal to 25,000, and then you will close the bracket. So this bracket which you have closed is for this and. This bracket is remaining, which we will see after doing the true and false condition. After this you will put comma, and now he is asking value if true. It means if all these are true, means if B2, C2 and D2 all are greater than 25 or equal to 25,000, what should happen? So I say in double quotes, it should come bonus. A word bonus will come, comma. Value if false. If it is not, if any one of them is less than 25,000, then what should happen? Then it should come no bonus. Or let's say for example, it should come sorry. And now you have closed the bracket. This bracket which you have closed in the end, it is of if. Okay. And then you will just press enter. You got sorry. Why you got sorry? Because only in Feb it is 25,000. In this 2 month it's not. Now let me drag it down. Perfect. This guy got bonus. Carol got bonus. Why? Because all 3 months he has done a very nice sales, all greater than and equal to 25,000. This is also all are greater than equal to 25,000. Here only in 1 month he has done 25,000, other months he has not done. So he got the sorry. Okay. So this way it is written. There is another thing, instead of and you can even write or. So if you say just